Hey everybody, how you doing today? I'll do a quick overview here on week 3. I'm still working on recovering from COVID here, so sorry this has not been going according to plan here, but we'll get this figured out here, and hopefully this week I'll actually get back to normal. So we've got the lecture on chapter 3 from last year here, and then our lab exercise is going to be rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock. So if you're not familiar with that variety, take a look at this Wikipedia link here. We have rock, paper, scissors, lizard, Spock, this little image over here. So Spock will beat the scissors and Spock will beat the rock, but Spock loses to lizard and Spock loses to paper. So each one of these, right, will beat two things and lose to two things. So, oh yeah, they've got the nice graph right here for you. So, yeah, so rock beats scissors and lizard, paper beats rock and Spock, scissors beats paper and lizard, and you guys can read this. So that's the game they're going to be doing. Again, you're welcome to work together on the lab exercise. Imagine we were sitting in class together and you just work with the person next to you. That's the idea here. So we do the lecture and then you have a chance to practice this here with your classmates. That's perfectly fine. So you need to have your post in by next Sunday, 11:59 p.m. That's 5:28. For your solution to the game. And then what we're going to do is do a little bit of constructive criticism of a friend's code, someone else in class here. So talk about their variable names, if they're good variable names, talk about their input prompts, talk about whether or not you can follow their code, read their code blocks easily here. Just some constructive feedback here, because remember, the code that we write, while yes, Python needs to be able to understand it, code is really meant for people, because we need people to be able to read and understand the code when they come back to it later. And that's what we're going to be practicing here. So if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll be working on getting all the stuff graded for you that you got in so far. So thanks so much, and hope to talk to you soon.